Bitcoin has broken down exactly as I had predicted it after we hit the resistance of the bear flag. But what will be the next move for Bitcoin? Because we're seeing right now something really, really interesting unfolding in the charts. And there's also something else that I want to talk about that many of you have for sure not seen, and I will mention it at the end of the video. So please make sure to watch the video until the end, because this is something really, really amazing, and that will help to catapult the Bitcoin price into new highs. So please make sure to watch the video till the end. Hi, my name is Alex from AMCrypto, and let's jump here directly into the charts. So I'm here on Bitcoin, the 1 hourly chart, and we have seen here, after we hit our initial bull flag target all the way up here, a breakdown all the way down to $33,458. So, and from there, we have now established a new uptrend here to the upside. So we got here a really nice bounce. So you could also argue that we got here a W pattern. Let me draw this in here. So the W pattern would have been from here. So, and then we measure the target to the lowest point all the way up to the neckline. So here we are getting now a really, really nice target. So let me see here. This. So when we put it here to the breakout, so that gives us a target of $35,324. That will be the initial target, but I believe that we will come back up here all the way to the bull flag target of 35,786, because we see now after that rejection that there is some significant resistance, and that is coming here from the bear flag that we are still trading within. So yesterday we came here up to that resistance and got directly heavily rejected here to the downside. So, and that was the reason why we saw this big fall here in the Bitcoin price from 35,950 more or less all the way down to 33,100. So that was a $2,800 drop in a matter of a couple of hours. So yeah, but we have bottomed out here as it looks like for now, and now trying to retest this resistance. So exactly at that point, I might open a new trade if I see that we flip this specific resistance into support and continue to move here to the upside. I have actually put in a really, really small position yesterday here when I saw this bounce happening. But it is a really, really small position. It's also a really, really risky one. And I will close it when we touch the resistance once again up here. That is my personal trading strategy for the moment. And I know that a lot of you guys are watching my videos exactly for these kind of trades. So like I mentioned the other day, we only want to trade if we see confirmation that we have an established uptrend or an established downtrend, and we will then trade accordingly. Otherwise, we are sitting on the sidelines because we don't want to gamble here. So, and yeah, so once we break through this specific resistance here of that bear flag, the next target that I'm looking at would be the next resistance level, which is just above us here, all the way up here to the $40,000, $41,000 area. So that will be my next take profit zone. Once we break above that bear flag and confirm it as support, and then move to the upside. I'm here now on the Bitcoin CME chart, and there we had created a gap over the weekend. So, and this gap was ranging here from the Friday's close all the way down here from $33,440. And on Monday we opened, or on Sunday night, we opened at $34,400. So there was almost $1,000 gap. So, and if you remember, I had mentioned to you that these gaps get filled sooner rather than later. And here, look at what happened. Absolutely beautiful. We directly came down and closed it. So, and now from there, we move back to the upside. That's also absolutely typical for the CME chart that we see something like this. But I have also really, really good news. Even after that small drop here, we still have a gap. We still have one. All the way up here at $60,000. Here is a gap that got never filled yet. Here, there you see it. Here is still a gap that was never filled. So Bitcoin will definitely come back at one stage to fill that gap. So I cannot wait to see this unfolding once this is happening. So and now let's have a look here on my position that I have right now on Phemex that I mentioned to you that I just opened yesterday. I tweeted it actually also on my Twitter account. So this position here is a small one. It's $170,000 position. It's right now $5,000 in profit and climbing. It's over almost 60%. So if you are an experienced trader and you want to take advantage of these trade calls that I give absolutely for free on my Twitter account, the Twitter handle is mycryptocoach, then you can go to the pinned comment below here in the video and use one of my links to get accumulated $1,800 in bonuses after initial deposit on Bybit and on Phemex. On Bybit, it's $900. On Phemex, it's a $200 bonus. And on Binance, it's a $700 bonus. So accumulated $1,800 after an initial deposit. So, and now the last part that I wanted to talk about, and congratulations to everyone that watched till the end. So that is something absolutely astonishing. And that is the Bitcoin supply across all exchanges. So here you can see the amount of Bitcoin held in all exchange wallets. And here is something that will have a huge impact rather sooner than later on the Bitcoin price. So we saw that in the past already, but it will really, really soon happen again because we have a supply shock. So, and what this exactly means is that here now where I'm on CryptoQuant, you can see that we had here a peak of Bitcoin reserves of 2.52 million on the 29th of May. But then since then, the supply is shrinking. So, and every time when we get a supply shock like this, so when exchanges are losing Bitcoin, the prices will go up because it's simple supply and demand. You can compare it with your renting housing market in your city. So you know, if there is a huge demand for housing in your area, the rental prices go up like crazy. So, and exactly the same thing is happening now with Bitcoin. The Bitcoin supply on exchanges goes lower, so the price will go up because Bitcoin gets more scarce. So, and that is exactly the outcome that was attended with limiting Bitcoin to 21 million, because not everybody in the world can hold one Bitcoin. So there are only 21 million out there. So, and this is something really, really, really amazing to see right now here on this chart, so that when more people tend to hold now Bitcoin on their own wallets and withdrawing it from exchanges instead of leaving it there and potentially sell it. So when we see something like this, that is really an amazing sign for a new or a continuous uptrend in Bitcoin. So yeah, thank you for tuning in again. Please smash up the likes, destroy the YouTube algorithm. We got yesterday again really, really close to 100 likes on that video. Let's try today again. I'm sure today we're gonna do it. Yeah, smash up the like, click subscribe, click the notification bell so that you get every time a notification when I release a new video. So, and yeah, enjoy the day and see you tomorrow.